Hello, my name is Omar and I'm a computer programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to build regular expressions that will help you remove certain HTML tags and word tags. So let's go ahead and I'll just show you instead of telling you what the regular expression is. So in order to test out my regular expression, I'm using an online regular expression tester at pagecolumn.com. But you can use any program that has regular expressions. So this is the pattern that we're using, an open bracket. Well, it's actually a less than sign. And I'm not going to say it because this would be impossible to say. So you should go ahead and look at the screen and copy it. And I'm just going to go ahead and test it on this test string that I have set up. And once I click it, on the bottom you see that only the HTML tags and their counterparts have been flagged as blue. And if you go ahead and delete those, only the HTML will be deleted, leaving you with whatever is in between the tags. I'm Omar and I just showed you how to build a regular expression that will remove certain HTML tags. Have a good day.